Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle with Madhushri. Today as you can see that I have done something very different and very daring kind of, especially for girls, that is a smoky eye look. So today I'm going to show you how to do smoky eyes using two ways. One of them will be like little bit kind of explanatory and the next one will be a completely अच्छे से समझाया जाएगा. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe as I will be showing you such easy tutorials as well as some dressing your closets, like dressing your normal clothes, like you can see over here, like I have dressed up, and then I will be showing you some of the earrings, latest trends, etc. So एक ही चैनल में पूरा पैकेज मिल जाएगा. So what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it and get the notification of the new videos then. So चपा चपर करना तो बहुत हो गया, and let's begin with our new video. As you can see that I have concealed my eyes using a concealer. So moving to the first step, that is application of kajal. I will be using Attitude Kohl Kajal in the shade Jet Black. As you can see, and from the outer inner corner of my eye, I will be making a very small wing. Now I will be making a straight line using this kajal, so it can be thick or thin as per your wish, because we are going to smudge this kajal after all. So yes girls, if you have hooded eyes, you can go for this trick, and if you have an earbud, you too can make a smoky eye look, just like Janhvi Kapoor's smoky eye look. So I will, since I don't have an earbud, so I will be using my eyeshadow brush, applicator brush, so as to smudge my kajal. You can do this trick for the lower lash line as well, and hence you can achieve your Janhvi Kapoor smoky eye look, especially for those who have hooded eyes. So this is the first technique, so please watch how am I making the wing out of the brush only for that smoky cat eye look or the smoky eye look. As you can see that I have smudged the kajal completely, and it has softened up a lot. So moving into the next technique, so I will be taking the Attitudes eyeshadow palette and the velvet black eyeshadow. So I will be using the same eyeshadow applicator brush and making a very very thick base of this dark color, because we need to make it appear a lot smoky, so the black color should be very intense. So we need to build up the black color in our eyes till the upper crease line. Can you see, like the upper crease line, there is a fold, so that is the upper crease line, and we need to make a wing, because out of this wing the eyeshadow shouldn't cross. So as you can see that I am building up the black eyeshadow, because I need to make this look a bit more intense towards smoky eye, so I'm building it up. And yes, you might be thinking that it's already looking so messy, but please watch the whole video as I will be showing some of the hacks of making this eye look neat, and that too in very easy like applicators easily available at home. So I am building it just up to the crease line, my dark color eyeshadow or the black eyeshadow, because I'm wearing today black, so I thought of making it. And then again I extended my wing so that out of that the eyeshadow shouldn't cross. As you can see that the color buildup is done. So I will be using, the third step will be the Nykaa's Tinsel Twilight Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette, and will be mixing the two brown colors as pointed by me. Now I will be cleaning that eyeshadow applicator brush a bit, and then will be mixing the two brown shades. Just above the crease line, I will be first making a very thin line of it. Can you see I am making a very thin line just above the crease, and already the black shadow is getting somewhat covered by the brown color. But don't worry, watch the end result of this video and I am definitely assuring you that you will be amazed. So we will be making the windshield wiper moment with our eyeshadow applicator brush only, and we'll be trying to mix the dark intense black color with the brown eyeshadow, because we are creating a transition, and without transition your smoky eye look will not look so good, so neat. So we need to blend a lot, and the blending part is what is a task, I can say. So I had to practice a lot, and I will be asking you all as well for the beginners also like me only, to practice a lot, because that line, as you can see in this video, there is a black line, very thin black line. So I'll be using a blending brush and will be trying to blend the black and the brown color in the windshield wiper moment. But don't be worried, because we will be cleaning this look in the end. So first of all, focus on how blending of this brown and the black color. As you can see that the blending part is taking a lot of time, but yes, that's the main point of this smoky eye look, guys. You need to blend your brown color and the black color very well. And if you don't have that much patience, then you can go for the first technique which I have shown, using the earbud and your kajal. And it's very easy also, but since I love to blend away colors and all, and I enjoy doing it, to be honest, so that's why I am learning also at that same time. So yes, I'm showing you how I do my eyeshadow looks. So this is my first eyeshadow look. Okay, so after blending a lot, I will be cleaning the edges using Kara Refresh wipes. So as you can see that I am cleaning away the end of the eyeball bone, just below the eyebrows, in short I can say. I will be cleaning it off, and you might be thinking that it's like looking very weird, so we are going to soften it up in a way, so stay tuned. As you can see that I have almost like blended up well and it's cleaned up almost. So I will be softening the whole look using a very light color eyeshadow on my below my lower lash line in the same windshield manner, so that it isn't like looking as if, you know, like messy and all. So I will be blending it really well all together using the same brush. As you can see now, the brown eyeshadow is melted with the black eyeshadow almost, and the upper crease line is also looking neat. So as you can see that I have blended away the eyeshadows, both three of the eyeshadows well. So I'll be moving to the lower lash line. So I will be applying my kajal on my lower lash line first. And wow, my tears are not coming today. Wow, I'm so amazed, to be honest, guys, that my tears have not coming from my eyes. I'm very much, you know, like overwhelmed today. Okay, because like this was such a tough one to shoot. So I will be taking now my black eyeshadow and will be kind of smudging my kajal a little more to my lower eyelid area, I can say, just below my kajal, so that it gives that smoky look. Yes guys, then it will give the smoky look. Can you see over here, like it's already has started giving my eyes a smoky look. And to be honest, this eyeshadow palette is a must-have for beginners like me. Like, it is such a versatile and the colors melt like ice cream over your eyes. You can see that it's almost done. So in the inner corner of my eyes, I will be using the white shade, and it is a glitter one. So in the inner corners of my eye, as to highlight, I will be using that glitter shade of eyeshadow on my inner corner of my eyes, and you can see my smoky eyes are done. So as you can see, all the colors are molded, and now I will be moving to the next eye. So this look is complete with a very nice neck piece, like this choker, open hair, nude lips. I will be giving the description of all the rest of the products used in my description box, including the brands which I use. So yeah, this is the final look, and you are ready for your Saptami evening look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye bye for now. Stay tuned for more such looks.